Do you know what is optimization? The meaning of optimization is you are improving. Ini-improve mo yung produkto mo para ma-achieve mo yung objective of having a consistency of sales and traffic. Now, kung walang consistent sales yan at walang consistent traffic, walang dapat ikatakot. Bakit ka natatakot? Ang ikatakot mo pag hindi mo ginalaw ay lalong wala kang benta. Mas maigi na yung ma-de-optimize, meaning nagre-react yung ginagawa mo doon sa product mo. Magtaka ka kung ang product mo may ginawa kang improvement at walang ginawang reaction. Okay lang yon. Okay lang na bumagsak ang traffic, okay lang na maapektuhan ng conversion. Why? Because nagre-recovery pa yung product mo. Kumbaga, according ako, umattend kayo noon kay Sir Chester C ng Pay Recon at Bilis Benta. So isa sa kanyang sinabi sa atin na anything na meron tayong ginalaw doon sa ating product ay nagbabago yung numbers, yung codes, parang ganon, something like that.